Welcome to my channel. Wow. Amazing. Carefully. Wow. Unbelievable. Stop.
To around
Stop.
2% without triggering a recession, and I'll acknowledge.
Amazing.
Well, the Fed wants to get inflation under control, and to do that,
Why
it needs to
they
slow
drive
down.
very fast?
That means companies will slow down hiring.
Slowly. Amazing car.
This is really fucking happening. Are you serious?
What did he drive?
Entonces,
What problem?
pues el próximo
Waiting.
que teníamos review es donde ya
Stop.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Karin, ¿estás bien, mi amor?
The driver very stupid. Exactly stupid.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
I
Holy
hope
shit!
they safe. No problem. What? Driver car in the right.
快起来！小孩，快救小孩！
Stupid, very stupid. Why he can drive like that? Slowly. What problem? Very lucky for driver. Stop. Very lucky.
Fucking idiots. That's what you get for fucking running red lights, you fucking moron.
Plus monthly service specials. In addition, we have a fully stocked Jeep accessories department that stocks all-weather floor mats, roof racks, and carriers.
I hope you drive safely and slowly. This car very expensive. Why? Have smoking. If you love my channel, please subscribe and like.
She said in the one debate the candidates held and interviews and interactions.
My channel will show very dangerous car when driving on the street. Unbelievable.
What the fuck was that? Babe, ayoko na. Shit.
Conversations are shallow.
Stop it. Nada. Stupid driving. Videos in car. zip video in American and Canada. Do you live in American? Wow.
Oh my god. I can't believe you jumped right up there and saved him.
Holy shit. This trailer just came off. Hang on. Damn.
Beautiful.
I don't know what we just ran over, but I got.
Driver in night very difficult. Why? Horse? A dog. Amazing. If you have a clip Dashcam, please send me. I will post in my channel.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Охренеть. Охренеть.
I hope people safe. He very kind. Wow. I very love driver car, but sometimes I very scared driver because slowly. Wow.
So a defensive phase now, possibly offensive in the future. Mr. Miller, thanks so much.
Thank you.
That's Christopher Miller of the Financial Times.
It's a challenging one though, because you're in there, you're watching Grimmelwood's crimes, and all of the great action makes you want to just piss your pants. Dude! And so you stand up and...
Nothing to say. Very idiot.
Fucking A, man.
Holy fucking shit. Look at this motherfucker. Holy fucking shit.
If you love my channel, please like and subscribe.
It's gotta go so.
fucking serious?
Wow. Wow.
He has somewhere to be. 50 years ago, Wallace had been part of a bench-clearing brawl at a high school baseball game, bolting out of the dugout with 10...
Very lucky for driver. Can we stop a moment and print how to get the video quality and color zip Dashcam? I put link on my channel.
Oh shit.
Why the driver very fast, slowly and carefully, looking right and looking left. Driver. School bus.
Oh my god!
Very
Is
lucky.
that your bus?
School bus.
No?
Wow.
Proponent of home country bias, and a big part of his reasoning for that is that there's expropriations that don't show up in the data. Do I understand correctly though that those do show up in your data?
School bus. I think he drunk when driver. He drink when before driver.
Right. So it might be different. Plus, if you're gonna have people over, you're gonna want it clean, you know.
Why did I just smile? I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna get a chill. That's what I'm gonna do.
Wow.
God damn it! Fuckers! God damn it!
Very heavy.
He's going on a road. No fucking way. No way.
Slowly, slowly. Oh. What? Is it car? The driver in night shift very difficult, so carefully. Wow. Why he stopped? Very lucky. Remember, don't stop on the trees.
Unlike other big cats, the cheetah cannot pull claws into its toes.
Are you fucking retarded?
Nothing to say.
Jesus Christ.
They drive a very idiot and stupid.
Holy fucking hell.
I hope you like my channel.
So here we're assuming an amazing ramification of this.
Well, very funny idiot moment in the world. I will post in my channel.
Driving me crazy. So I was looking online, and I can get one of these boards made tomorrow for $50, or I can get 5 of them made tomorrow for $50. So if you do the math, that's actually $10 for a board.
How does that make any sense?
Come on, the more you spend, the
Con las orejitas de Mickey.
Look at that.
Yo no puedo creer la cosa de este país. Son increíbles, de verdad. Eso sale en tu dash.
I don't believe in my eye.
Went a little bit too quick there.
Thank you for watching my channel. Goodbye.